Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you through the steps to fix Clash Royale if it is stuck on the loading screen. First, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Scroll down and look for the option called App Management. Tap on it to open. Inside App Management, select App Settings. This section shows you a complete list of all the apps installed on your phone. Next, in the search bar at the top, type Google Play Store. When it appears in the list, tap on it to open its details. Inside the app information page, tap on Storage Settings. You will see two options, Clear Cache and Clear Data. First, tap on Clear Cache and then tap on Clear Data. This will remove any temporary files that might be causing issues with app downloads and updates. After that, go back to the search bar and type Google Play Services. Open it and again go to Storage Settings. Just like before, tap on Clear Cache. For Google Play Services, clearing the cache is usually enough to refresh its data and remove any glitches that may be affecting Clash Royale. Once you have cleared the cache and data for both Google Play Store and Google Play Services, the next step is to uninstall Clash Royale from your phone. Before reinstalling the game, restart your mobile device once. Restarting helps refresh the system memory and removes any temporary errors that may be causing the game to get stuck on the loading screen. Once the installation is done, open Clash Royale. The game should now load properly without getting stuck on the loading screen. Thanks for watching.